What's up? What's up? What's up? So this is gonna be a really quick video. Something that just totally changed my life and will change yours if it sinks in. If you actually get this concept, you will forever change your life. And if you get it and apply it, okay? Um, so you're probably thinking, what the hell is this? What is Wayne talking about with this penny? But this concept of a penny just really got my mind thinking like a business owner, like an investor. So my mentor once asked me, he said, Wayne, would you rather me give you $500,000, $500,000 right now, or what I'll do is I'll give you one penny, but I'll double the value of that penny every day for the next 30 days. And on the 31st day, I'll give you whatever's there. So I'm a little slow at times, but I'm not stupid. So I'm like, this. I know it's a trick question, right? So what I did is I basically just I went with the penny. He says, right. The reason why you want to do that because one penny, just 1 cent, can turn into over $10 million, and I'm gonna show you guys why. Um, with this concept. Now you can check this out yourself. If you just type in, penny double for 30 days, you can find, and you click on images, you can find this out for yourself. But just look at this. This really got my mind going like, wow, this is really crazy. It's something I never learned. And they'll keep you from learning this in school. And without going off on a tangent, school is just doesn't teach you about, how to make money. It teaches you how to work for someone else. Just think about that for a second. Anyway, so on day one it's a cent. On day 10 it's five. On day 20 it's $5,000. On day 30, $5 million. Just follow this. It's a real concept. But you know how you can, first you have to change your mind before you change anything on that outside, right? So I learned from a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad this cash flow quadrant. 4 different ways you can make money, and it's okay if you're an employee. I know a lot of employees that make money using this concept of doubling your money, and they do that through investing in the stock market. So the stock market's been a great way for people to increase their net worth and create income exponentially. So if you're working for someone, if you're working at a job, you are stuck. And I mean that because your income potential is limited. Even if you're making $1,000 an hour, right? There's only 24 hours a day, 7 days a week that you can work before your income is capped. When you own a business or if you're investing in the stock market, you have unlimited income potential. And that's what I want to talk to you guys about. Now, in the stock market, there's a couple stocks that I'm involved in that I really want to urge you guys to look into. So I'm gonna put a link in the description below of why I'm investing heavily into AMC and GME, and I think you're gonna be really excited after you learn more about that. But I'm encouraging you guys. If you, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't try to sue me for promoting investing. You can lose some money, but at the end of the day, you know. If you're broke, what else can you lose? You've already been poor. You're already broke. The only way you can go is up. That's the way I would look at it. But listen, that wraps it up. Listen, if you like anything you heard, please like it. If you think anybody can benefit from this video, please share the video, and I'll be making some more videos. Peace.